Magandang tanghali, magandang umaga, magandang gabi sa inyo. It's a happy Canada Day, July 1st, 2025. And it's nice weather, a little bit cloudy. But we're going to the Daytona Park. It's called South Fort George before. Iniba na nila dahil it's for inclusiveness. Para sa pati sa mga iniba na daw yung mga street name sa Vancouver ganyan. So, yan, naglakad na lang tayo dahil yung parking is mahirap magkuha ng parking pag nandun na. Tsaka malapit lang naman, 5 to 10 minute walk. Sana wag umulan. Hindi naman umuulan. Dati nung mga nakaraang taon umuulan. Ayan, nagbid si Esme ng sa hospital. So, July 1st ngayon, may bayad ng buong shift, 7 to 7. Kala ko 7 to 12 lang dahil yun yung Canada Day, July 1st. So, yung iba nagbid partial, hindi nakuha. Kasi yun yung Canada Day lang siguro, kala nila, baka yun lang yung bayad. Triple pay yun. Isang bayad, tapos double time kasi it's Sunday. Hindi pala Sunday, ngayon? Tuesday. Yan, ipit yung Monday natin ngayong Canada Day. But kahapon nag-work ako ginawa ko mga expenses nung 2 weeks natin sa Richmond. Yun. So, halos sa half day natin ginawa yun. Tapos dumating yung tawag nito, expenses sa hotel, 3,489. Hindi pa nag-reflect tayo. Yeah, tawid. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Tayo, ang dami na park dito. Kaya dito nga. Punta doon sa sa park dito, nagbabike trail. Ano kaya ibig sabihin yung master station eh? Ito yung bear aware. Have to see if you see a bear, maintain a safe distance. Pagod na ako. Nauna na sila. Yeah. May bike. Darating. May release ng train dito. Mini train. Pero wala pa yung train. Yan. Pila dito for ice cream ata o for train? For train. Train ride. Sa RCMP. Take a picture. Let's take a picture, right? RCMP. Naliligo dun sa wading pool. Naayos na ba to? Ay, naayos na nila. Bago na yung washroom. Yan. Ano lang to? Once a day lang in a year. Ito, may mga cotton wood dito. Tingin tayo dun sa food truck. May water fountain pala rito. Right? There's a water fountain. Yeah, washroom dun. Kung may kasibo. May washing station din. Wash station. Ito tayo sa market area to. Stools. Stools. I guess stalls. Stall?
Yeah.
Stools. Iba pala yung stools. PG.
But chicken choice.
First time na parang maraming tao dito sa Prince George. Install din ng RCMP ron. Nagre-recruit dito ng police. Royal Canadian Mounted Police. RCMP. Tayo sa Kiwanis Bowl.
Like to sing the same songs to you. There's a job on the stars and the moon.
Hindi naman siguro copyright to.
Lost world together. Whatever it may be.
Yan din, room natin to kanina.
I'm flying
Ito
high.
hindi masyado
baby.
mainit.
I'm flying high with you, baby. Let the music
Right.
angels bring. A lost world together. Got a lot of musician friends out there. Canada, buddy.
Happy Canada Day!
Well, I'm lost for words and I don't. And I don't know what to say. But I love you.
Able to use the peanut
Volunteered?
Two of them.
All right. Perfect.
over so they can eat it.
There's 4 of us.
Oh,
So
four of
coming
us.
next,
Yeah.
we're gonna have the big
Thank you.
enough stand, but they just need a few minutes to set up. And then
Happy
we'll-
Canada Day.
You as well.
Yeah. Thanks. All right.
Si Bobby.
Huh?
Si Bob.
Bob?
Ayun, oh.
Oh. Hey, Bob. Huh? What? A spin? You want to spin? Go spin.
Welcome. Just make a donation
Oh.
with any coins.
Here, I
Any
got.
coins?
I have $5.
$5.
Hmm?
Spain. Which color?
Pink. Hey, Bing. Bob.
Okay. All right.
You wanna do another one? Do the dollar. Oh,
Spin it.
spin.
Which one?
Blue. Navy.
What? Light blue?
Light blue. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Sure.
Got it.
Thank you. Yeah. Got the food truck. Dito tayo. Pila na tayo.
We should bring the
All this cottonwood. Tayo, bili tayo ng chicken. Say hi to sa Tin. Hello sa Tin. Happy Canada Day. Yeah. Hintay tayo ng mga 10 minutes na dito. Parang hindi naman nag-move yung pila. Hintay ng jerk chicken. Tsaka tayo. Meron silang ano dati. Branch na naka-open. Ngayon biglang ewan ko, nagsara. O may pinost siya sa ano, community post dito. Ano, ewan ko paano nangyari. Parang pinali siya ng or sabi, parang ganun. But anyhow, that's not our issue. That's the business and the landlord-tenant issue. Yan. Haba pa rin ang pila, parang hindi gumagalaw. May usok dun. Parang barbecue. Mr. Canada and Mrs. Canada. Tsaka Baby Canada. Hi there. Protein regular and plantain and chicken.
Two, chicken and fries, protein, plantain and chicken.
That's right.
That's everything.
That's it. Yes, sir.
Tap at the bottom. And you know where this year. Mommy can have rice and beans, just chicken protein, Jamaican Paris. And Sana leading us in the upper plantain that can fries like chicken.
Oh, it's underneath there. Let me get a receipt too.
You?
38?
Get 7?
37.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, kinuha namin. Putin. Yan tayo. Halos isang oras, mahigit. Hindi naman mahigit. Isang oras siguro. Oras na ba? Kaya isang oras ko namin hinintay bago nakuha to. Grabe. Init. Ay, sakit sa balat. Init. Maulit yung ano. Ito yung siya atayo. Pilipino. Magkano to?
$8.
Yung isa?
Napalang baho. Yung pala yun?
Grabe.
Ano ba yan? Dami naman ano?
Kaya nga. $8 ang isa. Parang halo-halo na rin. Mix it. Ayan, hindi wala naka...
Baon na lang tayo.
Next time magbaon na lang. 45 minutes sa pila, 45 minutes sa paghihintay ng pagkuha ng order.
Grabe.
Grabe pila. Pati yung ano namin, $8 ang isa. Etong tatlong food sa Afro-Caribbean, nabot ng $50. $49. Pero $50 na rin, more or less. So Cajun fries
Kasama
and
niyo sa ano yun eh.
Cajun chicken and fries, puting, tsaka ang tawag nito, plantain and chicken. Ayan, almost 3:10 na pala. Merong inaano, free Punjabi tawag doon? Anong tawag doon sa nilalagay sa ulo? Turban? Turban pala.
7? Hindi. Oh.
Ayan.
Umuwi ako kasi may ano sa nila may doctor's appointment.
Oh.
And
Hello.
then may swimming ng 5.
Yo. Pang Canada Day dito. Yung pulis. Puting pulis. Wala ko lang masasabi sa amin. Assume. Magdadrive. Ayan, nag-food truck na lang tayo. Tapos, uwi na tayo. Init. May pasok kasi SME mamaya. Hindi pa rin ako.
Go to Alex house.
Ay. Hindi tayo.